Hello, today is September 8th, 2018. Let's go over our calls. You were looking for a whipsaw session. We had some price targets. These are targets and also support resistance levels. We said 28.67.76 by Friday. That was hit. Here's your support. And we said 28.85.56 by early Monday. Well, I'm going to stick with the call and make 28.85.56 by early Monday, the prediction. Now, Monday's pattern, I'm expecting to see one with an early low, but that doesn't mean we won't gap up first. And as usual, if I'm wrong, should be obvious before the open by gapping down smartly. Well, during the day, MEJT said this rally would retrace, this tiny drop would retrace, this big rally would retrace. We got it. And then that retracement held. We have mixed signals, and when that happens, the commonest thing as we close out is that we open or at least trade promptly outside the day's range after a gap. It's negative in this pattern when you don't close at the day's high, but Monday's open is a surrogate for Friday's close, so if we do gap up, promptly trade over this high, that's good enough. Otherwise, the pattern is negative. It's positive we gapped down, and despite a somewhat negative day, closed over all these lows. It's been a pattern of this decline that the days are weak, but we can't hold on to the lows at the close. It's a sign of strength, actually, when you're weak early and strong late. There's expectation, the commonest thing is to close outside the day's, is to open outside the day's range. There are a number of reasons to think the gap's going to be up. One is the MEJT target. The other is some dates I've had and some other people using other methodologies have. Here's your old volatility index. You see when you're over the upper Bollinger like this, it tends to mark market lows. It's not precise, but it's not too bad. This drop here was apparently response to a news event about President Trump introducing some more tariffs on China. The rule for sharp moves after news events is they get reversed quickly and completely. So all these are arguments for a gap being up. If that happens, there's a compatible wave count. This is what we had before. If that's A and that's B and that's C, we certainly have ratios that support the count, although that's not the only count. And if this is the real thing and we keep going up, that would be wave red C. Well, here's a monthly chart. You can see the beautiful hits on this line, which is resistance. You draw a parallel channel, that's support. So nothing requires us to challenge support right now, but it wouldn't surprise me if we hit it at some time. That's a longer term picture, but as far as Monday is concerned, we have mixed signals. I'm going with the target to print early, ideally by gapping up, promptly taking out this high. Can actually gap in either direction and take out this high, but it's hard to see us gapping down and taking out the high, so we'll stay up. And as usual, if I'm wrong, we should be gapping down smartly at the open. So we'll see how we open and see if that works or not. That's today's call.